What if you could go the next big step in your business easily? What if you could speed up your processing radically? What if you could reduce your need of investment and space immensely? What if you could save energy remarkably? What if you could reduce waste in your production considerably? What if you could master the challenges in a new sustainable environment simply? What if you could do all this everywhere in the world but based on German engineering? What if you could? Well, yes, you can. You can go this step by entering the future of additive manufacturing. Go with solutions from Notion Systems. Notion Systems is based close to Heidelberg in Germany and is a leading supplier of industrial inkjet printing systems for functional materials.
We started Notion because we saw that our team could advance additive inkjet production to a game-changing technology in electronics manufacturing.
With the established processes today, it takes several wasteful process steps to apply just a solder mask to a printing board.
We at Notion have reduced this process to only one additive manufacturing step. Our technology produces zero waste and is much closer to our common goal of sustainability than the technologies that were used before.
Notion has developed a modular open inkjet platform which can be adapted to end-user requirements in almost any respect. Without compromising process stability or precision, printhead assemblies in any configuration for almost any industrial printhead and stage sizes up to Gen 6 are possible. The entire system is designed and built in-house and easy to scale for various applications. Inkjet is a non-contact digital printing technology which creates fine structures of 30 microns and below. Non-contact printing enables wet-on-wet processing of substrates, and the fully digital process makes masks or screens obsolete. Inkjet is a highly integrated printing method where several thousand nozzles are utilized to print at production speeds of up to 2 meters per second. Inkjet is used to replace established subtractive process sequences and reduces waste and energy consumption and makes electronics production more ecological and more economical at the same time. The Inkjet Display series prints functional layers for various display technologies including rigid, flexible, OLED, QLED, and LCD displays. The Inkjet Electronics series increases process stability and enables new features in today's electronics production. This pushes the limits of current production technology for rigid and flexible circuitry on any substrate material. The Inkjet Semicon series offers a wide range of solutions for front-end as well as back-end processes in the semiconductor industry. The platform comes with integrated edge handling for any substrate type or wafer size. High-precision multi-material jetting opens up new opportunities for 3D printing in various industries. The Inkjet 3D is an open platform for 3D printing that gives you full control of your 3D printing process. Notion's process and engineering teams draw on decades of experience in scaling functional inkjet processes to industrial production. We support leading high-tech companies worldwide in all aspects of print process development. Notion supports the optimization of your process and fine-tunes the relationship between ink, printhead, substrate, and application. We support our customers worldwide from the first idea to the final process. Like so, we take them with us on a journey into the future of additive manufacturing.